Hi, Troy Witt from Take One Productions in Southern California for Broadcast Beat. Today I'm checking out the LiveU Solo, an all-in-one tiny form factor live bonded cellular video encoder that goes to the cloud. It is tiny, as you can see, has a belt pack that comes with it. It's really tiny, includes a built-in battery. You can see that right now it is running on battery power. It can come in either HDMI or SDI inputs, and it includes 4 ways to connect to the internet. 2 USB inputs for USB modems, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet. So this gets you out to the internet multiple ways, bonded all together to give you maximum bandwidth, maximum quality, and most importantly, maximum redundancy across many networks. So on the front interface of the LiveU Solo, you can see that you've got a LCD screen showing you the incoming signal, showing you battery, and where the stream is going. There's 2 buttons, a power button / select button and a multi-directional menu button. This can be used to navigate the LiveU menu, mostly to check on the interfaces and the status of them. And then simply to start streaming once you've set up the endpoint on the cloud system. All you have to do is press the power button once, it goes to connecting, and it will automatically start streaming right from there. So it's really simple on that. You see the stream spinning up, as we call it, as it goes to get enough bandwidth using the multiple connections. So here we are at the LiveU Solo online portal, which is really where you set the destination and you can manage your solo. This is also a mobile-friendly site, so you can do it right from your phone on site. And you'll see your devices, your solos, just lined up on the left there. But what you need to do before you stream is set the destination where it's going to. So it's really simple in their interface. You're just going to click on that. And you can do one-click streaming to Facebook, YouTube, and a whole host of streaming destinations that are already integrated into the Solo dashboard. But the one that many people use a lot, and that I use a lot too, is just a generic RTMP. You just save it, and when you go back to the front of the Solo portal, it's already in there. And either from this page you can hit Go Live, or that's where you hit the power button. Just you tap it once on the Solo and it's going to stream right to that endpoint. Simple as that. And that's this quick look at the LiveU Solo. Thanks for joining me. Again, this is Troy for Broadcast Beat.